So pineapple? No? Turn away from the pineapple. It's sweet. No pineapple? No? Good morning, and it's a wonderful day today. What are we doing, or what am I doing? Well, actually there's 4 of us now, and we are going island hopping. We are heading to Malcapuya Island and doing a little bit of snorkeling, and hopefully we get to see some sea turtles today. Yeah, we booked a private tour again, private boat again, and had such a good experience with Marjun that we actually got him again. So we're really excited. Hopefully we have the same crew and it'll be really fun. So come get lost with me. Oh yeah, one quick thing. I'm actually heading to get some breakfast. The other people I'm gonna be meeting over there, I think some of them have free breakfast where they're staying. I don't. Can I get some Azora caldo? Yeah. And with for here, with also egg and some bihun. Thank you, thank you. So I have some rice porridge. This is some rice noodles. So that was breakfast, and the total was 65 pesos. That's 65 pesos, like what, $1.20? It's pretty cheap to eat there. I mean, there's so much you can choose from too, and you have really good local food that's really price conscious, and it's good on your wallet. It's good to do that once in a while. So now we are headed to the market like we did last time, and we're gonna pick up some food for the trip. Just finished shopping. Total cost for the all 4 of us, including charcoal and drinks and ice, is 1,200 pesos. Now we're gonna go get the snorkel gear. Yay! Time to go! We're all very happy and excited. Okay. Thank you. How are you today? So we lost a pair of sunglasses, and he found them, and it was pretty quick too. Didn't take too long. Yeah, he did find the glasses. Oh, there is something inside. Yeah, there's something inside. Yeah, it's hiding in there. So we're back on the boat. So we just got on land, and this is beautiful. There's nobody here except for us. It's pretty cool, huh? Yes. And now we gotta walk to the other side. I do believe we're the only tourists around, so. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's somebody else here. There's a drone up there. But this is beautiful. And there's a basketball court.
Oh my god.
Wow. Look at this. White sand. And take out my shoe. Look at the white sand. Powder. Woo. It's beautiful. Are we the luckiest people in Coron or what? So this is stinking amazing. I can't believe we're here. There's absolutely no, well, not absolutely no one. There's like 1-2 other people here. They put up a drone, but other than that, I mean, this is completely empty. Wow, this is crazy. And look at the sand. The sand is just powdery. It's beautiful. Yeah, from left to right, it's completely secluded beach. Malcapuya Island. And it costs a little bit extra to get here. It took an extra hour and a half, but absolutely worth it. It's amazing. An awesome day. Yes. Look at this. Done. Yeah. And we're all very, very happy right now. There's waving at me. No, they know where the food is now. Yeah? Yeah, because we got another one over here. Look at that. It's like, feed me, feed me. Okay, here you go. Feed you.
Now you have 3.
Oh! I have 3? Where's the other?
This one behind. Did you?
Oh my god. That's just too much pressure. I don't know if I can deal with that. 3 dogs wanting food. That's why I don't have children. I am running a soup kitchen here because look at these dogs here. That one lined up after the other waiting for food. I'm gonna give it to her first and then you're gonna watch. So pineapple? No? Turn away from the pineapple. It's sweet. No pineapple? No? He's like, others. Oh, I feel rejected. I feel absolutely rejected. He just walked away from me after I fed him all that time. Okay, let's give you some fish. Okay.
This one out.
Let's get the. He's had a lot though. That male. I know. You want some fish? Here, have some fish, and I'll give you some little fish too.
The greedy one.
Oh my God! You greedy one! You're back. And now we are done here and back. We just ate. We're nice and full, and we're heading back to the boat, heading to back to the Coron area, and we're gonna do a dive at snorkeling at Coral Gardens. Yeah, talk about good timing. There's boats coming as we are leaving, which is awesome. That has been kind of how the boat tours have been, the island hopping's been. in sea. Okay, let's go see the sea first. Oh my god, he just destroyed that half a fish that we had. Oh my god. Yeah, so clumsy, man. What the heck did you do to our food?